नमस्ते नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत् अनुग्रहाय लोकानाम् अवतीर्णाय विष्णवे क्लेश अपहाय कृष्णायाः पार्थसारथये नमः. So last class we stopped with the speech of Pandu. He was extremely upset that he will not be blessed with a child due to the curse of Kindama. So iti ashruni munchanne munchanstaya uche. So thus Pandu was shedding tears. So to that Pandu who was shedding tears, Taya uche. The reply was given by Kunti. It was in Taya uche is in passive. So with this we stopped. Yeah. Next is a reply of Kunti. Nata shruyatam kinchit pura piturgrihe vartamanayam mahi तपसा इव अक्षमया च ज्वलन इव ज्वलन् आत्रेयः दुर्वासाः नाम महर्षिः यदृच्छया आगतः सत्कृतः मम पितरम् अपृच्छत् अत्रैव चिरं स्वच्छन्देन वस्तुम् आगतो अस्मि तदनुमन्यतां भवान् इति. So the meaning of the paragraph is, Kunti tells about her past. So she tells about she tells about the early years, formative years. So she says, during my formative years, that is the days when I was staying at my father's place, once sage Durvasa, the son of Atri, and he was blazing with anger, whose power of penance was like fire, like how fire burns everything that comes on its way. In the same way, Durvasa's anger was so powerful. So Kunti says he visited our kingdom and he was welcomed by my father. The sage wanted to stay in the kingdom for some time and he sought the king's permission. He sought the king's permission. That is the meaning of this paragraph. So, Nata kinchit shruyatam. So, the Kunti replies to Pandu saying that, Nata, oh, my husband, kinchit shruyatam. Please listen to me. Pura. Pura is once in the early years. Pituhu grihe. Mama pituhu grihe. In my father's house. Vartamanayam mai. Pituhu grihe vartamana mai pituhu grihe vartamanayam vartamanayam same. So when I was staying in my father's place during that time, in that context, tapasa iva akshamaya cha ज्वलन इव ज्वलन् आत्रेयः दुर्वासा नाम महर्षिः Pitaram apruchat. So when I was staying in my father's house, there visited a Muni by name Durvasaha. So Durvasaha nama Maharshihi Pitaram apruchat. So the Maharshi by name Durvasa asked my father. So how was he? How was this Durvasa? He was Atreya. Atrehe putraha Atreya. He is a son of Atri. So Atreya. Atreya comes as an adjective for Durvasa. Atreya Durvasaha. So how was he? Tapasa iva akshamaya cha. So here you have to take it as two words. Tapasa akshamaya. You cannot add akshamaya with tapasa. One is tapas is a sakaranta napumsakalinga word. And kshama is patience or one who is without anger. Akshama is a one who is with anger. Akshamaya, kshama is a strilinga word. So you cannot make akshamaya as the adjective for tapasa. So tapasa iva akshamaya cha. Tapasa akshamaya cha. So tapasa jwalanaha iva saha bhavati. Saha Durvasa Maharishihi tapasa by his penance jwalanaha is agnihi. Agnihi iva. You have to take this iva for that. So tapasa by his penance he was like a fire. So how powerful fire is? Fire is named as Hutabuk. Hutam Bhunakti iti Hutabuk. Whatever is being offered, whether it is a paper, whether it is a sheet or anything, it turns it into ashes. So such a powerful tool is fire. In the same way, Tapasa, he's like a fire because of his due to his tapas. Tapasa jvalanaha iva. Tapasa jvalanaha iva saha durvasah bhavati. Durvasaha bhavati. Tapasa agnihi iva jvalan saha durvasaha. Tapasa, first you have to take this iva with jvalanaha. He should say, we should understand it like tapasa jvalanaha iva rishihi. That is first iva. The second iva is tapasa agnihi jvalanaha iva jvalan atreyaha. Agnihi iva jvalan is blazing. Atreyaha. Then akshamaya is kopena ityartha. Akshamaya api kopena api jvalan saha. He was blazing due to his anger also. Atreyaha Atreyo nama Atreyah Durvasaha nama Maharshihi Yadrichaya Agataha Satkritaha. Yadrichaya is nobody expected his arrival. So Yadrichaya is Akasmat. Yadrichaya Agataha. This also goes as an adjective for Rishihi. Yadrichaya Agataha Satkritaha. Satkritaha ityukte Pujitaha. Sammanam kritaha. So Satkritaha, that also goes as an adjective for Maharshihi. Satkritaha saha Maharshihi. Mama Pitaram. My father aprichat. So Maharshihi aprichat. Tapasa jvalanaha iva Maharshihi aprichat. Akshamaya jvalana iva jvalan atreyah durvasa nama Maharshihi. Yadrichaya agattaha Maharshihi. Satkritaha Maharshihi Mama Pitaram Aprichat. Aprichat is asked. What did he ask? Atraiva Chiram Swachandena Vastum Agato Asmi. Atraiva is in your palace, in your kingdom. Chiram for some time. Swachandena. Swachandena is without any disturbance. Swachandena Aham Vastum Agato Asmi. Aga Vastum is Vasidatu Tumunantam. Aham Atra Vastum Agato Asmi. I have come here to stay in your place. Tasmat tat anumanyatam. So you allow me anumanyatam bhavaniti. Bhavan tasmat karanat aham atra swachandena vastum agato asmi. Iti tasmat karanat. Tat ityukte tat karanena tasmat karanena tena karanena anumanyatam bhavan. Bhavan mam anumanyatam. You please allow me. So this is the word to word meaning. Now we'll see Nata Shruyatam. Shruyatam is please listen. Shru Shravane. It is in Karmani Lot and it is in Atmanepadi. Pura is an Avyayam. Again, Pituhu Grihe, Visarga changing to Rakara. Vartamanayam Mayi. So Mayi Pituhu Grihe Vartamanayam Mayi. Tasmin Samaye Tirtaha. Yada Aham Pituhu Grihe Avasam. Tada Vartamanayam Mayi. Tapasa iva jvalanaha. So tapasa jvalanaha iva saha rishihi. Tapasa plus iva tapaseva. Gunasandhi and here vriddhi savarna dirgam. Akshavaya cha. Jvalana iva jvalanne plus atreyaha. Jvalan atreyaha is you get the gamudagama sandhi there. Jvalan atreyo. Durvasaha nama Maharshihi. Durvasaha is a Sakaranta Pullinga word. And the Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam itself is Durvasaha, Durvasasau, Durvasasaha. So Durvasaha nama Maharshihi. Yadrichaya Agataha. So Yadrichaya Akasmat Agataha. Satkritaha. Satkritaha ityukte pujitaha. Agataha is agam and it's a nitta pratyam. Satkritaha is also pujitaha ityartaha. Sat kr is the dhatu itta pratyam again. Mama pitaram aprichat. Prich is the lang lakara prathama purusha ekavachanam. Atra eva is here only. Is vriddhi. Chiram for some time. Swachandena without any hindrance. Vastum agataha asmi. So three words are there. Vastum is Vasu Dhatu Tumunantam. Agataha is A and Gaman Ikta Pratyayam. Asmi, you know, all know. And it is here Agataha Asmi, Visarga has changed into Utvam. Then you get the Purva Rupam there. Tat Anumanyatam. Anumanyatam is Anu is the Upasargam. Man is the Dhatu. And it is in Lot Lakara Pratama Purusha Ekavachanam. Bhavaniti. Okay. So Nata Shruyatam Kinchit Pura Pitur Grihe Vartamanayam Mayi Tapasa iva akshamaya cha ज्वलन इव ज्वलन् आत्रेयः दुर्वासाः नाम महर्षिः यदृच्छया आगतः सत्कृतः मम पितरम् अपृच्छत् अत्रैव चिरं स्वच्छन्देन वस्तुम् आगतो अस्मि तत् अनुमन्यतां भवान् इति. So when Pandu was asking her, telling her about the not having a child, so he has a great regret for getting the Chapa from Kindama, and Pandu became the cause for not being blessed by a son. So when he was asking Kunti, she was narrating the old story. Now she's going to come to the context. Why that Durvasa came, after that what happened. Tena tata iti abhyupetya tasya shushrushartam aham niyojita. Tasya munehe duraradhyataya Brisham Udvigna Mahata Niyamena Asidhara Vratamiva Charanti Tam Chiram Paryacharam Sakadachite Bhagavan Mam Idam Abhashata Vatse Prite Maya Bahutaram Kleshita Api Swayam Akhinna Eva Mam Upasse Nakinchitapi Tava Vaimanasyam Lakshaye. So the Rishi came and he wanted to stay there, spend some time in the Rajyam without any hindrance. So when the Rishi requested, immediately the king replied, Tena here goes to the Rajnya. Tena tata iti abhyupetya. So the meaning of the paragraph is, my father agreed to the request of the Rishi, and what he did, when a great sage visit our place, our where we stay, whether it is a kingdom or normal people like us, it is a duty of the king to serve the sage. So what he did, my father agreed to the request of the sage, and I was instructed to attend to him. And everyone know Durvasa is famous for his curses. So being afraid or very much concerned of the sage's anger, I attended to him with complete sincerity and austerity. It was like, it's like, Iduda, Niyamena Asidhara Vratam Iva Charanti. Sorry for using Tamil here. You know, Lakshmana Suri, his mother tongue is Tamil. So then and there you get the hint of impact of the language. Asidhara Vratam in Tamil we say Katti Monaila Nikkara Madri. In English I can translate it as if taking an oath under a knife or performing the vow of life under a sword. So it is, when we see the nomads playing the games on the road, they walk on the rope. Walking on the rope is not easy. A small slip will make the person fall, and he gets injured. In the same way, Asidhara Vratam is standing at the tip of the sword. How can somebody Niyamena Asidhara Vratam is like Asehe Dhara, the flow of Asi is sword. Asidharayam Chalanamiva Vratam, as if somebody is walking at the edge of a sword. Anything will happen. It will hurt the person who performs something at a very challenging, in a very challenging manner. So here Asidhara Vratam is like Kunti was so careful in handling the sage. So she knows very well that he can be provoked very easily, and he gets anger very easily, and he curses people very easily. He's famous for it. So knowing his nature, Kunti was doubly careful. So Munehe Duraradhyataya, it is very difficult to please a person like Durvasa. Brisham Udvigna. Udvigna here means it is not agitation. She was very, very concerned. So Mahata Niyamena, with a great, what to say, sincerity, Asidhara Vratam. How was her sincerity? It was like Asidhara Vratam. Vratam is a oath or a vow. We take Vratam, no, we do Vratam at home. In the same way, Asidhara Vratam is like taking an oath, performing the vow of life under a sword. Eva Charanti goes to Kunti. Charanti Aham Shatruvratyam. Tam Chiram Paryacharam. So I worshipped him so well. I took care of him so well. Saha Bhagavan, Saha Kadachite. So, like when the time passed, when I was serving him for a long time, Saha Durvasaha, Kadachite. Kadachite is once, Bhagavan Durvasaha, Mam Idam Abhashata. So, he spoke to me this. Thus, he spoke. What did he say? Vatse Prite, ho child Prita, how much ever I have troubled you, you did not lose your temper, nor and you attended to my needs without getting annoyed. So he was able to notice the sincerity and the austerity that was presented by Kunti to him. So he immediately praised her. So this is the meaning of this paragraph. We'll go word to word meaning. Tena, here goes Ragnya, that is Kunti's father. Tena Ragnya Tata iti abhyupetya. So he agreed. So here Tata iti abhi upa in. So many are there. Tata iti. Abhyupetya is one word. Abhi is the upasarga. Upa is the dhatu. In gato is the upa is the upasarga. Abhi and upa are upasarga. And in is the dhatu there. So here Abhyupetya means having agreed. Tena tatha iti abhyupetya. So the king, by the king, it was agreed. Tasya durvasasaha. Shushrushartam. Shushrusam kartum. To save him. To serve him. So Shushrushartam. To say, serve him. Aham niyojita. I was appointed. So Kunti says, Aham kuntihi Tasya munehe shushrushartam. To serve the muni. Aham niyojita. I was appointed. So tena, again I repeat, tena ragnya tata. Tata is okay. He agreed. Abhyupetya, having agreed. Tasya munehe shushrushartam. For serving. Aham kuntihi niyojita. Niyukta. So here, tata plus iti tateti. Okay. Tateti plus abhi tatetyabhyu abhi upa and in. In gato is the dhatu. It is in lyap. So tata plus iti plus abhi plus upa plus eti. Okay. Etya. Tasya shushrushartam aham niyojita. Niyojita again is ni is the upasarga. Yuj is the dhatu. Okay. And it is in Ikta Pratyam, Strilinga, Niyojita. Aham Niyojita. Tena Niyojita. It is in passive. Tena Ragnya Aham Kuntihi Niyojita. Next. Tasya Munehe Duraradyataya. Tasya Munehe. Tasya qualifies Munehe. Both are in Sashti Ekavachanam. Tasya Munehe Duraradyata. Duraradyasya Bhavaha Duraradyata. Taya Duraradyataya. So it is very difficult to worship a person like, serve a person like Durvasa. So Brisham is extremely Udvigna. See, Ud, which is the dhatu, and again it is a Nikta Pratyayam Strilingam. Udvigna ityukte samakula ityartah. Agitation iti vadamah kalu. So Brisham Udvigna. Atra tu Udvigna, you have to take it as with extreme sincerity. Okay. And Mahata Niyamena. See, all these Strilinga goes as an adjective for Kunti. Kunti Brisham Udvigna. Sati. Sati is not the Sati Saptami. Sati. Brisham Udvigna Sati Kunti. Tasya Munehe Duraradyataya. Mahata Niyamena. So Mahan Niyamaha. Mahata Niyamena. So Mahata goes as an adjective for Niyamena. So with great sincerity. What Asidhara Vratam Iva. Asi is the sword. Asidhara is the flow of the sword. Asidharayam chalanam iva. As if walking in the tip of the sword. Vratam iva. So she has taken that vratam or the woe, which is as difficult as playing with the, performing with the asidhara, with the sword, tip of the sword. Charanti aham. Charanti again is like char is a dhatu and it is shatru pratyayam, goes as an adjective for Kunti. Tam durvasasam chiram, for many days. Paryacharam. Paryacharam is again, pari is the upasarga, char is the dhatu, and uttama purusha ekavachanam langlakara. So tasya munehe duraradhyataya. Munehe again, here repa, visarga becomes a repa. Brisham udvigna mahata niyamena is single padam, savarna dirgha sandhi. Niyamena asidhara vratamiva charanti aham tam chiram paryacharam. So the word aham is not given, but we should understand because paryacharam is in uttama purusha. So aham is, we have to take it. Aham here means Kunti. Then, so with great sincerity and austerity, I worshipped the, I served the Muni Durvasa. Saha kadachit Bhagavan mam idam abhashata. So here kadachit is one word, Bhagavan is another word, mam is another word, idam is another word, abhashata is the kriyapada. So saha munihi abhashata, that is the main sentence. Saha munihi abhashata, saha abhashata, he spoke. Abhashata is bash dhatu langlakara pratama purusha ekavachana atmanipadi. Saha, that Muni, kadachit is once. Bhagavan, Saha Bhagavan, Rishihi, Muni, Durvasaha, Mam, to me, Idam, this Abhashata. Okay, Saha Bhagavan, Mam Abhashata. That is the main sentence. The Bhagavan, sage Muni, spoke to me this. What did he say? Vatse Prite. So her name is Pritha. Prite is the Sambodhanam, like Rame. He Vatse Prite, Maya Bahutaram Kleshita api Swayam Akhinna eva Mam Upase. So Bahutaram, Bahuvaram ityartaha, Bahutarap. So Maya, by me, Bahutaram, many times. Kleshita api, Klesh is the dhatu, Klishu upatape. It is a nich, ikta pratyayam, strilingam. Kleshita plus api. Bahuva bahutaram kleshita api. In spite of me giving you trouble many times, several times, swayam akhinna eva. See, without any agitation. Why this Rishi is asking me again and again? She didn't get annoyed. She was so patiently attending to him. So akinna, kid is the kidyate, we say, no? Kid itta pratyam. Swayam akinna eva mam upase. So you worshipped me without any hesitation or without getting annoyed. So mam upase. So upase again is upa is upasarga, asa upaveshane, madhyama purusha ekavachanam. Okay. Tvam mam upase. That's the way you should take it. So maya tvam bahutaram kleshita api tvam swayam akinna eva tvam mam upase. That's how it goes. So maya bahutaram bahutarap and kleshita, I told you, kleshita plus api kleshita api. Swayam akinna plus eva akinnaiva, again vridhi. Akinna is the kit dhatu and mam upase. Na kinchidapi tava vaimanasyam lakshye. So vimanasyam is vimanasaha bhavaha. So not with a distracted mind or not with a sorrow or sadness. Vaimanasyam is sadness. Okay, being in the state of sorrowful stage. So na kinchidapi tava vaimanasyam aham lakshaye. So I am lakshaye is latlagaram uttama purusha ekavachanam. Aham na lakshaye na drishtavan ityartaha. एकस्मिन्नपि अवसरे मया न दृष्टं किञ्चिदपि तव मुखे वा यत्र कुत्रापि वैमनस्यं मया न दृष्टम् अहं न दृष्टवान् इति उक्तं ऋषिणा. So न किञ्चिदपि तव वैमनस्यं is विमनसः भावः वैमनस्यं. लक्षये here is लक्ष्यधातु उत्तमपुरुष एकवचनं लट्लकारः. So तेन तथा इति अभ्युपेत्य तस्य शुश्रूषार्थम अहम नियोजिता. तस्य मुनेः दुराराध्यतया वृषम उद्विग्ना महता नियमेन असिधारा व्रतमिव चरन्ति तं चिरं पर्यचरम् सः कदाचित् भगवान् माम् इदम् अभाषत वत्से पृथे मया बहुतरं क्लेशितापि स्वयं अखिन्ना एव माम् उपास्ये न किञ्चिदपि तव वैमनस्यं लक्षये. So, see, if you want, you can split these words. There is no sandhi here. Kadachit Bhagavan Mam Idam Abhashata. You can separate while reading or while writing. You can break all these words. It's not like Niyamena Asidhara Vratam. Here there is a sandhi. Asidhara Vratam is a single word. Okay. Next. So, what did he say? He said, Tava Shauchena Analasyena cha Atitaram Priye. नहि मादृशस्य कोपः प्रसादो वा निष्फलो भवितुम् अर्हति अतः प्रतीच्छ इमं मन्त्रम् अनेन यां देवताम् आह्वयसि सा सद्य एव तव मनोरथं पूरयिष्यति इति प्रसन्नः तं मन्त्रं मयि सङ्क्रामयामास. So Munihi tam mantram prasannaha here goes to the, it qualifies the Muni Durvasaha. Prasannaha Munihi, the happy sage. So the meaning of the whole paragraph is, I'm extremely, Durvasa says, I'm extremely pleased by your purity or sincerity. My anger and blessings will never go waste. So it means that whether I give a boon or a curse, everything will come alive. In Shakuntalam, without the knowledge of Shakuntala, Durvasa cursed him and went. By the request that was made by the friends of Anasuya and Priyambada, the friends of Shakuntala, he said, the moment Dushyanta sees that Abhijnanam, that ring, he will recollect, he'll get back his memory. But the curse that was given, I can't take it back. So that power even he himself doesn't have. So, that's why he says, my anger and blessings will never go vain or waste. Why? The curse will also, the fruit, the result of the curse will also happen. The result of the blessings will also happen. So, madrishasya is madvida jananam ityartaha. Madvida janasya, people like me, of my type, tesham tasya kopaha prasado va nishpalo bhavitum na arhati. It never goes waste. Ataha asmat karanat praticha imam mantram. See here, we'll finish the meaning first. So accept these mantras. So whichever devata you call by reciting this mantra, they will fulfill your wishes. Saying this, he transformed or he imparted the mantra to Kunti. This is the meaning of this paragraph. So, Tava Shauchena Analasyena cha Atitaram Priye. So, Aham Priye, that is the main sentence. So, Aham Pring Pritau. So, I am very happy by the way. Shauchaha is purity and Analasyam is Shuchehe Bhavaha Shaucham Tena Shauchena. They say, no, Shuchihi Bhushayati Shrutam Vapuhu. Shuchi means Sampradaya Shuddham, not just by taking bath or keeping your physical purity. It is also the mental purity. Only the mental mind, when the mind is pure, see, even for attending a session, even for taking a class, our mind, our concentration is very, very important. So that is called as Shuchihi. Shuchihi Bhushayati Shrutam Vapuhu. In Kirartha Arjuniyam, there is a line like this. Shuchihi, the advice of Yudhishthira to Bhima. So, Shuchi is Sampradaya Shuddham. Shrutam is Shastra Shravanam Kartum Vapuhu Bhushayati. That only embellishes or enhances a person. By keeping the mind clear. Only if the mind is clear, something will go inside. Only if the mind is clear, we can involve ourselves in any activity. So, Shauchena and Analasyena. Analasyam is laziness, procrastination. So, Analasyam is Analasyam, Tena Analasyena. Atitaram is an avyayam, tarap. I am extremely priye. Aham priye, that is the main sentence. Aham tava shauchena analasyena priye. I am happy by your austerity and your sincerity. Atitaram, extremely happy. not I'm happy. It's not like that. I'm extremely happy by the way you served me. Then मादृशस्य कोपः प्रसादो वा निष्फलः भवितुम्, you should take this nakara here, nahi arhati. मादृशस्य, मादृशानां जनस्य, people like me in the sense sages who have performed tapas for several years. मादृशस्य कोपः, कोपः is anger, prasadः is blessing. If you put another akara here, it is called prasadaha. Prasadaha means palace. Prasadaha means blessing. So kopaha prasado va. Whether anger, anger here you have to take it as curse. Prasadaha is blessing. So kopaha prasado va. Whether it is curse or blessing, nishpalaha. Nishpalaha is nirgadam phalam yasmat saha. So nishpalaha bhavitum na arhati. So palasya abhavaha nishpalaha. Bhavitum nahi arhati. It is not at all possible that my curse or blessing will go in vain. Definitely, if I curse something, it will definitely happen. In the same way, if I give you a blessing, that will also definitely occur. So, ataha, asmat, there are not much of grammar here. Arhati, you all know. Arh is the dhatu and it is in latlakaram. Bhavitum is bhu and tumanantam. Ataha praticha ivam mantram. Ataha asmat karanat. As my prasada will definitely be fruitful. Ataha means that as my blessing will turn into a phalam for you. Imam mantram. Imam go qualifies mantram. Ayam mantraha imam mantram. Imam mantram praticha. See, ichati, that is the icha. Praticha is accept this. See, if you see Avyaya Kosham, for every upasargam, the meaning changes. If prati, there are so many meanings for prati. Prati is also used in the sense of angikritau. Angikritau prati. Pratigraha, accepting. Pratichati is also accepting. So here praticha means imam mantram praticha. You accept this mantra. Okay. So prati plus icha, praticha, savarna dirgam. Icha plus imam, a, e, a, gunasanti. So praticha imam mantram. Then, what will happen with that mantram? What is the purpose? Anena yam devatam akhvayasi. Sa sadhya eva tava manoratam purayishyati. Anena goes to the mantram. Anena mantrena. So, by this mantra, yam devatam, whichever devata you worship, okay, ahvayasi is calling, inviting. Hweng spardayam is the dhatu, a is the upasargam, madhyama purusha ekavachanam. So, anena mantrena, by using this mantra, whichever devata is being called, sa devata satya eva. Satya is takshane eva. I will give you the varam. It will happen in next janma. It is not like that. Satya eva is immediately. Takshane eva. Tava manoratam. Manoratam is your desire. Purayishyati. The devata will fulfill your desire. So, sa tava manoratam purayishyati. Sa devata satya eva. Immediately. Tava, your manoratam, desire, purayishyati. Ka devata, yam devatam tvam ahvayasi. Whichever devata you call. See, we generally say, God knows everything. Why should we go and talk to him every day? Yo me garbhagatasyapi vrittim kalpitavan prabhu. Shesha vritti pradhanaya supta kim va mruto atava. There is a shloka. Yo me garbhagatasyapi vrittim kalpitavan prabhu. Prabhu is Lord, who knows everything since the time I am in my mother's womb. The God knows everything about me, or even before that. Then why should I go and talk to him every day and tell, yo, I want this, I'm like this, what happened to me? We need not tell, but Sheshavritti Pradhanaya Supta Kimva Murto Atava. So to know since the time we are in our mother's womb, God protected us. So to protect us in the remaining part of our life, we need not go and ask the God. But my professor always says, ஸ்ரீரங்கத்துல படுத்துன்னு இருக்கார். So we have to wake him at times. So we have to, for fulfill our needs, at times we have to go and talk to the God. So anena mantrena yam devatam ahvayasi, whichever devata you call, sa devata sadhya eva, immediately tava manoratham, your desire pureshati, sa manoratham pureshati. Okay va? Iti prasannaha is thus. The Durvasa was very happy. Prasannaha is pra is the upasarga, sad is the dhatu, and it is an ikta pratyaya. It goes as an adjective for munihi. Saha munihi prasannaha sanne tam mantram, that mantra, mayi sankramaya masa. He gave the mantra to him. See, here the sankramaya masa, no, it is Sam and Kram is the dhatu. If you see the ashtadhyayi.com, you have Kramati, but you don't have Kramaya Masa. It says Kramaya Masa. So, but these are Arsha Prayogam, I think, because if you, I saw a shloka, I came across a shloka in Matsya Puranam. Evam Muktaha Sarajarshihi Kavyam Smritva Mahavratam Sankramaya Jaram Tada Putre Mahatmani. So there are such usages in the Puranas. So see, more than the Ashtadhyayi, more than any Dhatu Pata that we come across, there are usages that has been brought into practice by great writers, great poets like Valmiki or Vyasa. We call it as Arsha Prayogam. There were many cases that existed even before Panini. So he might not have included all those things in his list. But in Samu is the Upasarga, you have to take it as Kram is the Dhatu. And the form is in little Akara. You may not come across this in ashtadhyayi.com. If you go and check the Dhatu Pata, you will not. When I saw, I couldn't find it. Only Kramayamasa was there. But this slide, the book I have, the one more book I have, in all the books, it is only Kramaya Masa. So that may not be, if it is in one book, then I can say it is a printing error. Not all books have the same printing error. So the Sam is the Upasarga and Kram, Nich, it is in lit. So he transferred or he imparted the mantram in me. Okay. So this is the whole thing. So here Pura Ishyati again is Pur is the Dhatu and it is Pura Ishyati will be in Rit Lakara. Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. Tava Manoratham Sa Pura Ishyati and that's it. Prasannaha tam mantram mayi sankramaya masa. So tava shauchena analasyena cha aditaram priye nahi madrishasya kopah prasado va nishpalo bhavitum arhati. Atah praticcha imam mantram anena yam devatam ahvayasi sa sadhya eva tava manoratam purayishyati iti prasannaha munihi tam mantram mayi sankramaya masa. Now it is, see, I have not dealt with this Visarga Sandhi and all. I think I've said enough Savarna Dirga, Visarga and all. By now you should be knowing Visarga changes to Repaha, Sakaraha, Visargasya Lopaha and all. I'm not dealing with all those things. All have become very simple for you people now. So I'm just moving on to the next slide. Yadi manyase tam adhuna upayokshye. Kamva devatam upasthasye iti nivedayanti sa tadonumatya vaivasvatam dharmarajam upasya tad anugrahena yudhishtarakyam putram asota. Sacha swagunena paschat ajatashatruhu cha achatruhu iti cha paprate. Vayoho prasadat bhimasenakyam putram avindata. Yam Vrukodara iti Bhima iti cha vadanti. Indra prasadat Arjunakhyam lebe. So the meaning of the paragraph is, so now Kunti said, I have such a boon in my hand. Durvasa has given me a mantra. With that mantra, if I call whichever devata need to be called, I will call him. We will be blessed with whatever we want. So I have such a boon in my hand. But you tell me whether you want to use it. See, this is what, there is a famous sentence in Veni Samharam. Bhattanarayana's Veni Samharam. Strinam hi sahacharyat bhavanti jetamsi bhatrasadrishani. When the women, when they live with a man, or a man when he lives with a woman, without our knowledge, we get adapted or the qualities that is present with the counterpart. Without knowingly, if we spend 25 years with a husband, or a husband spends 25 years with a wife, naturally they imbibe the quality. So how Pandu approached Kunti, in the same way, Kunti said, hey, I have a mantram, Durvasa has given me, I will use it. She didn't say that. If you consider this as appropriate, see, now that because of the curse, we cannot have a child. By the Mithuna Bhavena Putrasya Utpattihi Bhavitum na shakyate. Iti karanat, she says, if you are interested, if you consider this as an appropriate one, then I will use the mantra. So, mutually, there is an understanding between the man and the women. They give importance mutually. So, I will use the mantra. Which Devata should I approach? That also she asked. And then when Pandu agreed to all these, when agreed by Pandu, Kunti worshipped Dharmaraja, Yama, the son of Vivaswata. By his blessings, Kunti was blessed with a son by name Yudhishthira. Later, by his great qualities, not having any enemy, he was popularly known in the world as Ajata Shatru. Then, by the blessings of Vayu, Kunti was bestowed with a son again, whom people called as Vrikodara or Bhima. By the blessings of Indra, she got Arjuna. That's how these three Pandavas were born to Kunti. This is the meaning of the paragraph. Now, Yedi manyase tam adhuna upayokshye. So, Yedi manyase is consider. Man is a dhatu. Latlakara prathama purusha ekavachanam. Madhyama purusha ekavachanam. Yedi manyase. If you consider this as a suitable one, appropriate one, tam is tam mantram, aduna is now, upayokshe, I will use it. Upa yuj is the dhatu, yuj yoge ritlakaraha. I will use, okay. Aham upayokshe. Tam mantram aduna upayokshe yedi bhavan uchitam manyase. If you consider this as uchitam, then tam mantram, that mantra, aduna plus upayokshe, adunopayokshe. Gunasandhi. Upayokshe is upa plus yuj. Kam va devatam upastasye. So kam va devatam, kam devatam. This kam goes as an adjective word, devatam. Kam devatam va upastasye. There are many devatas. You tell me which one I have to worship. Upastasye is upa. Stha is the dhatu. It is in ritlagara. Uttama purusha ekavachanam. Aham kuntihi kam devatam upastasye. See again this tha dhatu, no? There is a sutram called Upan Mantragarane. See, when Upasarga, when sta in general is a Parasmaipadi dhatu, you have tishtati, tishtataha, tishtanti. Okay, you don't have tishtate, but it takes the form of Atmanepadi when it has the dhatu Upa. In what artham? Mantrakaranam. Upan Mantragarane. So, Mantrakaranam ityukte mantraihi vaidika devatayaha stutikaranam. Asmin arte, when the upasarga is added with the dhatu sta, atmanepadasya pratyayaha bhavanti. Yatha garhapatyam upatishtate. So here upastasye aham. Okay. Mantrena agnehe stutim yada karoti saha tada upatishtate. When patni bhartaram upatishtati. Here the patni worships the husband stauti ityartaha. Mantrena na stutihi. Yada mantrena saha stutihi bhavati tada upasargasya stadatoho instead of the parasmaipada pratyaya, atmanepada pratyayas are used. That is a grammatical peculiarity there. Upa, sta and atmanepadi. So, yedi manyase tam aduna upayokshye, if you consider this as correct, I will use it. Kamva devatam upastasye. You tell me which devata I need to be called. I should call which one. Accordingly, I will call. Iti nivedayanti sa. So this Nivedayanti goes as an adjective for Sa, that is Kunti. Ni is the Upasarga with this dhatu, Shatru Pratyayam, Strilinga. So Nich, Iti Nivedayanti Sa. So thus when Kunti is saying such thing, Tad Anumatiya, Tasya Pandoho Anumatihi, Taya Anumatya. Okay, Tasya Anumatihi, with the permission. Anumatihi is permission. Tasya Pandoho Anumatya, with the permission of Pandu. Vaivasvatam is Vivasvataha Apatyam Puman Vaivasvataha. So it goes as an adjective for Dharmaraja. See, Dharmaraja is none other than Yama. They didn't use the word Yama. You know why? Dharmaraja, Dharmena Rajate iti Dharmaraja. Rajaha. Okay, it comes, Raja becomes Akaranta Pullinga in a Samasa. So Dharmarajam is like Ramam, one who shines by his virtue. Now, through a person who shines by his virtues, now Kunti is going to get a child from such a person. So how will be the Yudhishthira? He will also be a Dharmaraja. So that's why the Kavi might have used this word Dharmaraja. See, there is a swarasyam for every padam the poet used. It's not like the way we write, right? So Vaivasvatam Dharmarajam. He didn't use the padam Yamam here. He used Dharmaraja because from this Dharmaraja, another Dharmaraja, Dharma Yuvaraja is going to come. So Vaivasvatam Dharmarajam. So Dharmaraja is Dharmena Rajate iti Dharmaraja. So here Dharmaraja is a compound word. That's why it is Dharmarajam. It's like Akaranta Pullinga. Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Vaivasvatam goes as an adjective for Dharmarajam. Upasya, having worshipped. Stutva ityartaha. Upa asa lyap. Tat anugrahena. Tasya Dharmarajasya anugrahena. With the blessings of Dharmaraja. Yudhishthirakyam putram asuta. So sa putram asuta. That is the main sentence. Sa kunti putram asuta. Asuta is su prani garbha vimochane. It is like Prathama Purusha Langlakara Ekavachanam. So to give birth, Sa Kunti Putram Prasuta. She gave birth to a son. What is the name of the son? Yudhishthirakyam Putram. Yudhishthira iti akya yasya saha tam. So one who is named as Yudhishthira. So how Kasya Anugrahena Yudhishthirakyam Putram Sa Kunti Asuta? Dharmarajasya Anugrahena. Dharmarajasya Anugrahena. From how she got that Anugraham? Vaivasvatam Dharmarajam Upasya. She worshipped the son of Vivasvata, who is none other than Dharmaraja. After worshipping him, Tasya Dharmarajasya Anugrahena. Sa Kunti. Nivedayanti Sa Kunti. Sorry. Nivedayanti Sa Kunti. Yudhishthirakyam Putram Asuta. It's okay. Is it right? Then, Sahaja Swagunena Paschat Ajatashatruhu iti cha paprate. Saha here goes to Yudhishthiraha. Saha Yudhishthiraha cha Swagunena. Swasya gunaha swagunaha. Tena swagunena. With his divine qualities, with his great qualities. Paschat is later on. Ajatashatruhu. Ajatashatruhu is na jataha shatruhu yasya saha. For whom no enemy is being born. There is no one enemy exist. Jataha here is exist. So Swagunena. So how can a king, that to being a king, how can he be Ajatashatru? So he is such a Dharmaraja that he didn't have any enemy in this world. Saha Yudhishthiraha Swasya Gunena, with his great qualities, Paschat, later on, Ajatashatruhu iti cha paprate. So he became famous. Paprate is Pratu Prakhyane, lit Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. He became popular by the name Ajatashatruhu. Na jataha Shatruhu yasya saha. Even now we call, with hilariously or in a naive comment, we call people, no, you are an Ajatashatru. So one who doesn't have any enemy. So thus Yudhishthira was born. Now, the second one is Vayoho Prasadat Bhimasena Akyam Putram Avindata. Vayoho Prasadat. Prasadam is again blessing. Vayoho Prasadat. By the blessings of Vayu. Okay. Bhimasena Akyam. Bhimasena iti Akya yasya saha tam. one whose name is Bhimasena. Bhimasenakyam putram avindata. You have to take this sa from this word, from this line and join. Sa avindata. Avindata is she got. So with the labe. Okay, kartari lang. Prathama purusha ekavachanam. Sa kunti avindata. She got. Sa putram avindata. She got a son. By whom? From whom? Vayoho prasadat. By the blessings, from the blessings of Vayu. What is the name of the putra? Putra Bhimasena Akyam. It qualifies putram. Bhimasena iti akya yasya saha tam. Bhimasena Akyam putram avindata. So what people call him? They call him Yam Vrukodara iti Bhima iti cha vadanti. So people call him Bhima. Bhima means Bhayankaraha ityartaha. Vrukodaraha is, see, there are many interpretations for this word Vrukodaraha. They say Udaram means stomach, tummy. Vrikaha means wolf. He has a stomach like the wolf. Wolf, how much ever he eats, no? If you see the waist of the stomach of the wolf, it will be meningirukum, very slim one. But Bhimaha, Parakramashali Bhima should not be compared with a wolf, no? My professor always used to say, there are many Agni. Panchabhuta exist in our Shariram, right? Prithvi, Apu, Tejas, Vayu, Akasham. All the Panchabhutam exist in this Pinda Shariram. So Vrikodaram Vrikaha is a name of Agni that is present in our body, which only uses for the digestive system. So Vrikasya, one is the Vrikasya Udaraha Iva Udaraha Yasya Saha. That is like one who has a stomach like a wolf. Vrikodaraha is Vrika iti Agnihi Yasya Udare. Vrikodaraha iti. Another one I came across recently when I was reading the text Veni Samharam. It's a drama written by Bhattanarayana. The story is about Mahabharata only. There they send Krishna to have a peace treaties with Duryodhana. And Yudhishthira tells Krishna that you ask for 4 gramam, and the 5th gramam let Duryodhana himself decide and give us. What are the 4 gramams? Indraprastham, Vrikaprastham, Jayantam, Varanavatam, Prayachcha Chaturo Graman, Kanchidekam cha Panchamam. This was the shloka. So Indraprastham is the place where these people constructed a huge palace with the help of Maya. Okay. Next is Vrikaprastham. Vrikaprastham is the place where Duryodhana gave the poisoned payasam, porridge, to Bhima. So that is why he got the name Vrikodara. So there are so many stories in Mahabharatam. As I told you, we do not know which one is correct and whichever is we feel like taking right. No, I feel more than the wolf's stomach. This Vrikodara is the Vrikagnihi that is present in our Shariram. That is very nice. Another one is the Vrikaprastham. That place is called as Vrikaprastham, because of which later on Duryodhana, Bhima was called as Vrikodara. Okay, so Yam Vrikodara iti Bhima iti cha vadanti. Then Indra Prasadat Arjunakhyam lebhe. So Indrasya Prasadaha Indra Prasadaha Tasmat Indra Prasadat Arjuna iti akya yasya saha tam lebe. So sa lebe, sa kunti lebe. Lebe is lab, dhatu to get. She got. Litlakara Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. Kam lebe, Arjunakyam putram lebe. She got a child, son, by name Arjuna, by the blessings of Indra. Indrasya prasadat. So, Dharmarajasya prasadat Yudhishthiraha iti, Vayudevasya prasadat Bhimaha Vrikodaraha iti putraha, Indrasya prasadat Arjunaha iti putram api sa kunti lebe. So, यदि मन्यसे तम अधुना उपयोक्ष्ये काम वा देवताम उपस्थास्ये इति निवेदयन्ती सा तदनुमत्या वैवस्वतं धर्मराजम् उपास्य तदनुग्रहेण युधिष्ठिराख्यं पुत्रम् असूत स च स्वगुणेन पश्चात् here is पश्चात् plus अजात जष्ट्व संधि has occurred पश्चात् अजात शत्रुः इति च पप्रथे. Here tad anugraham also just sandhi. Okay, tad anumatya is also just sandhi. Yudhishthirakyam and all is savarna dirgha. I think it's so simple to tell. So Vayoho prasadat, again prasadat Bhimasenakyam, again just sandhi here, putram avindata. Yam Vrigodara iti Bhima iti cha vadanti. Here all the visargas get lopa. Vrigodaraha iti Bhimaha iti cha vadanti. Indra prasadat Arjunakyam lebe putram lebe. Next. Then what happens? Sahi Uttarapalgunyoho jataha iti Palgunaha iti cha uchyate. Pandoho tasya apara bharya Madri api तन्मन्त्रेणैव अश्विनी प्रसादात् यमलौ नकुल सहदेवाख्यौ सुतौ असूत एवं पञ्चपाण्डवाः अजायन्त गान्धारी तु संवत्सरत्रयं गर्भं धारयमाणा कुन्त्या ज्येष्ठं पुत्रं जातं यदा शुश्राव तदैव अमर्षेण स्व उदरम् अश्मना घ्नति पेशीम् असूयत. So now she got Arjuna by the blessings of Indra. So this Arjuna was born in the Uttara Palguni Nakshatra. That is Uttara Nakshatra. That is why he is called as Palguna. His another name is Palgunaha. Okay. Then with the now Kunti used that mantra thrice and called three devasas, Dharmaraja, Vayu, Bhagavan and Indra, and she was blessed with Yudhishthira, Bhima and Arjuna. So now Pandu has another wife also, no? So what she did, she imparted the mantram to that wife, Madri. She, with the blessings of the Ashwini Devatas, she was blessed with Yamalo. Yamalo is twins. Yamalo Nakula Sahadeva Akyo Sutau Asuta. So she delivered twins. They were named as Nakula and Sahadeva. Evam, like this, Panchapandavaha Ajayanta. The five Pandavas were given birth, were born. Now, we'll move to the poet takes it to the Rajyam. What happens to Gandhari? Because she was the one, what is that? Prajavatim Antargarbhinim Shrutva Panduhu was very unhappy. That's what we studied. So by the time Gandhari should have delivered. But what happened to Gandhari? So Samvatsaratrayam is Samvatsaranam Trayaha. Should be Trayah Samvatsaraha Nilkitavati. Okay, it's okay. So Gandhari tu Samvatsaratrayam. So she was carrying the fetus in her womb for 3 years. When she came to know that her Prajavati, that her co-sister Kunti has given birth to the first son, she became very asuya, very impatient or very angry. She hit her stomach with the stone and gave birth to a mass of flesh. Masa peshi, mamsa peshi means mamsam is flesh. Peshi is masa. Mamsasya peshi, tam mamsa peshim asuta. That is the meaning of the paragraph. Saha, here goes, Saha hi Uttara Palgunyoho Jataha iti Palgunaha iti cha uchyate. Saha here goes to Arjunaha. Saha Arjunaha hi Uttara Palguni is the name of the Nakshatram, Uttara Nakshatra. Uttara Palgunyoho Jataha, as he was born in the Uttara Palguni Uttara Palgunyoho Jataha iti Palgunaha iti cha uchyate. He is also called as Palgunaha. His another name is Palguna. Like how people born in Revati are named as Revati. Bharani, Apabharani, they are called as Bharani. Uttara Nakshatratla Varanda, they are called Uttara. Like that, Uttara Palgunyoha Jataha iti karana, Palgunaha iti cha uchyate. Cha plus uchyate, chocyate. Gunasandhi is there. He plus Uttara Hyuttara, here you have the end sandhi. Palgunyoho Jataha Visarga sandhi. Uchyate. So he was called as Palgunaha. Then Pandoho tasya apara bharya Madri api. Madri api sutau asuta. That is the main sentence. Madri api. Madri also. Madri plus api. Madri api ends on the. Madri also. Sutau asuta. Sutau plus asuta. Sutavasuta. So avavasandhi you have there. So sutau asuta. she delivered twins, two sons, Sutau. So who is she? Pandoho, Tasya Pandoho. So the Tasya comes before Panduhu. Tasya Pandoho, to that Pandu. Apara Bharya api asti. Apara Bharya api vartate. So there is one more wife he has. Her name is Madri. Madri api. Tanmantrena eva Ashwini Prasadat Yamalau. Tanmantrena. तस्य तेन मन्त्रेण इत्यर्थः तेन मन्त्रेण एव so tat plus mantram tan mantram here you have that anunasika santi but the samasa here is tat mantram tena mantrena plus eva mantrena eva you have vriddhi and you have mantrena eva plus ashwini savarna dirgham you have so tan mantrena eva Ashwinyaha prasadat. Ashwini devatayoho prasadat. By the blessings of Ashwini Devata, Yamalau, Yamalaha means twins. Yamalau, Nakula Sahadevakyo. Nakulascha Sahadevascha Nakula Sahadevau. Nakula Sahadevau iti akye yayoho tau. Nakula Sahadevakyo. It goes as an adjective for Sutau, Asuta. Okay. Asuta is Su Prani Garba Vimochane, Langlakara, Pratama Purusha, Ekavachanam. Yevam Panchapandavaha Ajayanta. Panchapandavaha is like that Karmadarayam. Panchacha te Pandavaha cha Panchapandavaha Ajayanta. Like how we call Dashavataraha, Saptarshihi, like that. Panchapanda, Panchayeva Pandavaha. Right? So Karna was never included in Pandava's list. So Panchapandavaha Ajayanta. Ajayanta were born. Janir Pradurvave and it's Langlakara Pratama Purusha Bahuvachanam. Evam Panchapandavaha Ajayanta. Then Gandhari too. So Gandhari, what she did to Samvatsaratrayam. So Vatsaranam Trayam, Samvatsaranam Trayam, Samvatsaratrayam. So for Traya Samvatsaraha, for 3 years, Garbhan Dharayamana. So this Dharayamana goes as an qualifies Gandhari. Okay, Dharayamana is like Dhru Dharane, Niche, and it is in Chanach, Strilinga. So Dharayamana Gandhari, Samvatsaratrayam Garbhan Dharayamana Gandhari. What she did? Kuntya Jeshtam Putram Jatam Yada Shushrava Yada Gandhari Kuntya by Kunti Jeshtam Putram Jatam. So the first son was born through Kunti. When she came to know about it, Shushrava is Shru Shravane, Litlakara Pratama Purusha Ekavachanam. Yada Gandhari Tad Vishayam Shushrava Tada plus Eva Tadaiva. Vritisandhi. Tadaiva Amarshena Savarna Dirgam. Amarshaha is Kopaha. Kopena Swa Udaram. Swasyaha Udaram or Swasya Udaram. Svodaram. Ashman is Nakaranta Pullinga. Means you have that what the stone. Kallu. So Ashma, Ashmano, Ashmanaha. Ashmana is the Tritiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Swa Udaram Ashmana Gnati. Gnati is in Shatru Pratyam. Han is the Dhatu, Shatru Strilinga. So Gandhari, Swa Udaram, Ashmana, Gnati goes as an adjective, qualifies Gandhari. Mamsa Peshim, Mamsasya Peshi, Mamsa Peshi. Mamsam is the flesh, Peshi is the mass. So a mass of flesh. Asuyata. So she didn't deliver a baby. Due to her anger, she hit her stomach with a stone. Due to Asuya also, due to jealousy that Kunti has delivered before her, she was unable to bear that thing. So what she did? She delivered Asuyata Su Prani Prasave. So she delivered Asuyata Asuyetam Asuyanta. So Gandhari Mamsa Peshim Asuyat. That is the main sentence. Swa Udaram Ashmana Agnati Gandhari Mamsa Peshim Asuyata. Amarshena Swa Udaram Ashmana Ashmana Ganati Gandhari Mamsa Peshim Asuyata. So that's a story. So after this, what happened? We'll do it in the next class. So Sahi Uttara Palgunyoho Jataha iti Palgunaha iti cha uchyate Pandoho tasya apara bharya madryapi tanmantrenaiva Ashwini prasadat yamalau nakula sahadevakyo sutau asuta. Evam Panchapandavaha Ajayanta Gandhari tu Samvatsaratrayam Garbham Dharayamana कुन्त्या ज्येष्ठं पुत्रं जातं यदा शुश्राव तदैव अमर्ष्येण स्व उदरम् अश्मना घ्नति मांसपेशीम् अस्मत्. With this, we'll stop the session. Yeah. Anybody has? बालसुब्रह्मण्य महोदय पृच्छन्तु.
नमस्ते.
नमस्ते.
अत्र उत्तरफल्गुन्योः इति तत्र कीदृशं पदम्?
I think I think it's a join of two words, I think. Uttaram cha Palguni cha tayoho uttara Palgunyoho. Probably the word itself, I mean the nakshatram itself is a combination of two. That's how I understood.
एवं वा? द्विवचने इति भासते तदेव.
नहीं उत्तर पल्गुनी इति पदं पल्गुन्योः इति द्विवचनमेव. सम्यगेव दृष्टं भवद्भिः.
अस्तु, धन्यवादः.
चित्रानारायण महोदय. चित्रानारायण महोदय.
Yes, ma'am. Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste.
So here, so we have Kuntya Jeshtham Putram Jatam, right? So here, which one is the karma padam? Is it Putram is the karma padam that is associated with Jatam?
See, Kunti becomes an instrument for the delivery of these two. We should take it like that. Kunti na prasutavati. तादृशं न उक्तम् अस्मिन् वाक्ये. कुन्तीनाल् ज्येष्ठं पुत्रं जातं. Through Kunti, a first child was born. That's how you should take it.
So Jeshtham Putram is in Dvitiya Vibhakti there?
Yeah. Jeshtham Putram is in Dvitiya only.
So if we say Kuntya Jeshtha Putraha Jataha, is that wrong?
Kuntya Jataha. No, here Kunti becomes, I'll check and let you know in the next class. Okay?
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Shankari Ramesh Mahodaya. Okay, you're in mute, madam.
Ajatashatruhu iti.
न जातः शत्रुः यस्य सः. For whom a shatru is not born. இனிமே எனக்கு பிறந்தாதான் எனக்கு எதிரி அப்படின்னு சொல்றான் இல்லையா? There is nobody in this. He is a person who is without any enemy.
शत्रवः आसन् किन्तु सः तान् शत्रून् न इति न चिन्तितवान् इति वा इति.
See, राजा इत्युक्ते शत्रवः भवन्ति एव, परन्तु तस्य लोके तादृशः व्यवहारः कृतः. तस्मात् कारणात्, see, I don't have any enemy in this world. If I think something like that, no. Every Vasudhaiva Kudumbakam.
Nirvairi kila.
Yeah. There will be enemy, but he was behaving very in a pleasing manner with everyone, so that nobody can hate. Even Duryodhana, he had hatred towards Arjuna and Bhima, but he never had hatred towards Yudhishthira. Yeah.
पुनः अर्जुनः पल्गुनः पार्थो किरीटी श्वेतवाहनः बीभत्सुः विजयो जिष्णुः दश नामानि भवन्ति अर्जुनस्य. यदा तडित् भवति तदा भीत्या अर्जुनस्य दश नामानि वदामश्चेत् किमपि न भवति इति बाल्ये मम पितामही पाठितवती.
वदन्तु चिन्ता नास्ति. यदपि यद् पूर्वाचार्यैः उक्तं तत्सर्वं सत्यमेव. ते एव प्रमाणं. वदन्तु भवती.
एवं वयं तद् अभ्यासः भवति. एवं यदा यदा तडित् गर्जनं सर्वं भवति तदा झटिति अर्जुन 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 इति वदामः. अर्जुन पल्गुनः पार्थो किरीटी श्वेतवाहनः बीभत्सुः विजयो वीर्यो इदानीं न स्मरामि. एवं दश नामानि भवन्ति वदामः. किन्तु
श्रद्धा एव प्रमाणं खलु.
बीभत्सुः इत्युक्ते इदानीं भवत्याः कथनादेव अवगतवती. उत्तरफल्गुनी नक्षत्रकारणात् तस्य नाम अहं बहुवारं चिन्तयन्ती आसं किमर्थं फल्गुनः सः बीभत्सुः. एवं यदि समयः भवति कृपया तेषां नामानाम् अपि एवं
See, we say in
अर्थं
Tamil, no,
वदतु
katrathu kaimanalavu, kalladadu ulagalavu. There's very little that we have learned. There is so much that all of us should learn. Like that only this is. Yeah, we will.
one more thing is like I heard in some upanyasam that nakshatra nama namakarane na bhavet iti.
Oh, that's sarvam. I just said for
अहं
the
न जानामि न
example.
जानामि
No, they say even Nadis, names of the rivers should not also be Nadi. I don't know what is the reason behind that.
नामकरणसमये एवं निषेधाः सन्ति इति वदन्ति अहं न जानामि
अहमपि न जानामि.
किन्तु एवं किन्तु नक्षत्राणां नामानि श्रूयते रेवती रोहिणी इत्यादि किन्तु ज्येष्ठाः तथा वदन्ति न करणीयम् इति किमिति न जाने
नमस्ते.
पुनः अद्य एव वृकोदरस्य एतद् श्रुत्वा बहु सम्यक् बहु सन्तोषम् अनुभवामि
My professor, no, he always used to say, don't say that he has a stomach like a wolf. Bhima is such a great man.
अहम् एवमेव श्रुत्वा अन्येषां कृते अपि एवमेव वदन्ती अस्मि इतः परं परिवर्तयामि न सर्वैः तद् वृकोदरः इत्युक्ते वुल्फ् सदृशः तस्य स्टोमक् इत्युक्ते सः खादति चेत् अपि सम्यक् ताडयति सः तदापि तस्य वीर्यस्य न्यूनता न भवति सामान्यतया खादामश्चेत् चलनं कष्टाय किल किन्तु तस्य तथा व्यवहारः नास्ति इति श्रुतवती श्रवणे किञ्चित् सम्यगपि अस्ति तस्य कृते सम्यक् भोजनं दद्मः सः एवं भवति वयं ताडयामः इति चिन्तयामश्चेत् तथा न स तादृशः इति तदपि सम्यक् अस्ति किन्तु वृकः चेत् वञ्चकः इति एकम् अस्ति किल
Okay.
वृकः नाम अजम् एवं सः करोति तमिळ् भाषया एवं अस्ति किल आड् तोल् पोर्तिय ओणाय् किमपि
Okay. You are giving a different interpretation to it. Good. Yeah. Namaste, madam. I think
धन्यवादः महोदय भवत्याः समयं स्वीकृतवती क्षम्यताम्
I think one more person was raising their hand. I'm not able to. Preeti Goyal, please. Please unmute yourself.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste.
This is about this line Gandhari Maspeshim Asuyata. Asuyata iti shabda ajayata samartha.
Ajayata, yes.
Ajayata. And whenever we are using this ajayata, we are using saptami or prathama vibhakti.
Prathama only, no? Ajayata.
Because in some lines it is given like in saptami.
Oh, okay. Tasmin ajayata. In her it was born. Something like that.
Yes.
The usage. Yeah. Some places.
Both are correct.
There is no hard and fast rule that you have to use only this vibhakti. It depends on the context, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
So in her is also correct.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Namaste. Nukala Dwaraknath Reddy, Mahodaya. Unmute yourself and talk. You are in mute, sir.
Falguni, Uttara Falguni, Langikara anta word va?
Uttara Falguni iti?
Lang, Dirgha Ikara anta word.
Dirgha Ikara antaha. See, Falguni, then somebody, Lalita Kartikeyan, Mahodaya.
नमस्ते तत्र पञ्चपाण्डवः अजायत तत्र अजायत इति पदं ते she gave birth to the child and mamsapeshi
Ajayanta is where born. That's it. Panchapandavaha Ajayanta. That's it.
तत्र असूयता means she just मांसपिण्डम् एव अतः असूयता इति पदम् उपयोगं कृतवान् वा इति एव संशयः
I don't have an idea. Asuyata is Su is a dhatu.
Prani Prasave.
So Prani Prasave is not, I don't know what is the significance, but it means this.
She asked the doubt, same meaning. Then only I got out. Maybe here by Asuyata because she delivered only the pinda, not the kid. full
Uh,
child.
Nothing like that. See, it is like even when we write, even when we write in an exam or when we write an essay, we don't use the same word. We
Same
like
pada.
to give different verbs, no?
Okay.
Words or verbs, right?
Okay. So same meaning only then.
Yeah, same meaning only. I don't know what is the significance of for the
Okay.
present context.
Astu Mahodaya.
If you find out, please let me know.
Yeah, maybe I don't know. I will try if I find out.
Yeah,
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
next, ಧನ್ಯವಾದः. Sunita Kumari madam, vadantu. You are in mute, madam.
I understood, ma'am, but this word Akya, that word I want to.
Akya is named. See, we from the first class, I think first class itself, I told you. Akya is a Strilinga pada. So you can't say Yudhishthiraha iti Akyaha. Akyaha means named. He is named as Yudhishthira. I can't say Yudhishthiraha iti Akyaha. I have to say Yudhishthiraha iti Akya yasya saha. I have to convert it into a Pullinga word. Yudhishthrakya. Tam Yudhishthrakyam. Correct?
Oh.
Anyone
Yes,
else?
ma'am.
What are the names of the 4 villages? Indraprastham, Vrukaprastham?
Indraprastham, Vritaprastham, and Jayantam, and Varanavratam. See, these are the 4 places where Pandavas got insulted. Indraprastha is the place where they constructed a huge palace, and that was also taken by this one, Bhima, Duryodhana. Vrikaprastham, as I said, it was the place where Bhima was given that poisonous porridge by Duryodhana. Jayanta is a place where they played the Dyutam, the gambling. And Varanavatam is the Arakumalige, Lakshagraham, the wax palace, no? That is Varanavatam. So he chose, Yudhishthira had chosen these 4 places in particular to make Duryodhana understand that how they were all insulted by them. But Bhima was not for it. He says, what is the purpose in asking such thing? It is like, take the sword, let's fight. That is the thing. Okay. Namaste. Any more doubts? Shall we end the session? 1 minute. Sankramaya Masa. P.S. Krishnan Mahodaya has asked. Sankramaya Masa is little akara, Prathama Purusha, Ekachanam, and Masa, it comes, it's Parasmapadi only. Gnati means Han Dhatu Shatru Pratyam. To kill, to hurt. Shatru Pratyam Strilingam it is. Atitaram is Avyayam only. Yeah. Ama. Nishpalam Utpatti. Yeah. I think we'll end the session. Namaste.
Namaste.